don't discount getting out into nature whenever you can. I just took a little short walk from my office, maybe 5 minutes, and there's a body of water here. There's a small drainage canal with some wetlands plants growing in it, and there's, I saw a soft shell turtle crawling up a small creek bed. I looked for my alligator that I've seen before, but he wasn't there. Saw some colorful little fish, maybe a crawfish. It never hurts to get out in nature and just take a walk around. Even a small exposure can make you feel better. Science says it contributes to increased health and emotional well-being. So take a chance, get outside.